Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this 20 to 30 minutes beef stroganoff. For this recipe, we're going to need some beef, we need some pasta, mushroom, butter, milk, we need cream cheese, some dried thyme, mustard powder, onion powder or 1 medium sliced, garlic powder or 4 cloves minced, salt and pepper to taste. We also need some flour and oil. First thing we're gonna do is to tenderize the meat. Using a pressure cooker, cook it for about 20 minutes. It's about 80% cooked. If you don't have a pressure cooker, you can use the regular pot and do the cooking of 20 to 30 minutes towards the middle of our cooking process. While pressure cooking the meat, we can start cooking the pasta. After it's cooked, set it aside. When the meat is cooked, drain the meat and set aside the broth because you might need it later to adjust the texture of your sauce. Next step, we're going to heat up some oil in a pan and brown the meat. Next, add the mushroom, garlic powder, onion powder, some salt and pepper. Saute it for about 1 to 2 minutes. If you didn't tenderize your meat using a pressure cooker, this is the best time to do it. Add a cup of water and let it cook in low to medium heat for 20 to 30 minutes covered. When the meat is tender, we can now proceed to the next step. Add the butter and the cream cheese. Mix it until the cheese and butter are melted. Set heat to low, then add the milk and keep stirring to avoid the milk or the cheese from curdling. Then we add the mustard powder and dried thyme. Mix well to combine. Now we're going to add our milk with 1 tablespoon of flour. This is to thicken our sauce. Make sure to taste and add salt and pepper as needed. Let this simmer for another minute or 2 or until the sauce is thickened. When it's cooked, remove from heat until it's ready for serving. There you have it, our beef stroganoff coated in a luscious creamy sauce, served over a bed of pasta. Beef stroganoff is my go-to recipe, especially when I'm in a hurry. Imagine we made this in less than an hour. You probably think it's complicated when you saw all those ingredients, but it's not. You really have to try this. But what do you think can make this recipe better? Leave me your comments below. I'd like to know what you think. Hey guys, did you like that video? Oh my god, it's just so delicious. You have to try that recipe. Anyway, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, click that bell button. Don't miss anything. Share this video and make sure to watch these other videos. Thanks for watching.